What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Metamaterials update, and today started out pretty great with an early buy up to $3.61, and then big sell off here, trading below those 50 EMA lines for most of the day, and then we had a nice late rally here, closing above that 50 EMA lines, what we like to see. Take a peek at the RSI to close the day was 50.01. That is very nice. And let's see. Late bullish cross of those MACD lines. Excellent. This thing is building some steam here this last week. And we have an increase in the short days to cover here, sitting at 1.11. Shares on loan is up a little bit at 24.62. Utilization rate at 79.4. Free float on loan at 10.45. Let's go over to the naked short report. I haven't checked that in a little bit. And so this is for yesterday. A little bit of a lower volume day the last couple of days, actually. So, of the shares traded, 3.78 million, we had 39.02% of those was short volume. That is a little bit less than we had earlier in the week. Yeah, Monday was 60%, and then it declined the rest of the week. And then we'll take a peek at the dark pool data. Short positions are actually doing better than they have been at negative $55 million. They're still getting pounded right now, and we'd like to keep it that way. And we're going to go over to Fintel. So the short volume ratio has dropped a bit to 22.76%, and the short interest percent of the float is down as well. Short squeeze score has dropped. I think it was as high as 65 earlier this week. And then short shares availability up from yesterday. Today sitting at 1.3 million. Short borrow fee rate continues to stay flat and very low now at 3%. And so we had a nice big buy today. 168,000 shares bought from Alliance Berenstein LP and CWM. No, Tradewinds Capital Management also picked up 200. Bunch of lightweights over there at Tradewinds. Bunch of cowards, if you ask me. They should have picked up 170,000, like fucking Alliance Berenstein. All right, got some big news here from Metamaterials from today. Dr. Hai Soon joins Meta as Director of Lithography, Manufacturing, and Operations. From today, Metamaterials Inc., a developer of high-performance functional materials and nanocomposites, today announced that Dr. Hai Soon has joined the company as Director of Lithography, Manufacturing, and Operations. Dr. Soon brings more than 20 years of nanofabrication engineering and leadership experience. He will lead the lithography manufacturing team for developing and sustaining the line process for lithography across multiple products and technology platforms. Dr. Soon joins Meta from HRL Laboratories, where he was process integrations section leader. We are fortunate to have someone of Dr. Soon's caliber join the Meta team, said Jonathan Waldern, Chief Technology Officer of Meta. He brings extensive leadership experience as a process engineering director and manager in both manufacturing and R&D. His many patents and publications highlight his creativity and insight. Lithography has been central to my career and it is one of Meta's core technologies, said Dr. Soon. I am excited to be part of the effort as we scale our process and capacity to address a wide range of high-growth applications. If you remember the video I put out earlier this week talking about their manufacturing process and the different types of processes that their nanoweb uses. They have roll-on plates, roll-to-roll manufacturing, and then this is gonna fucking kill me. And then they have the rolled machine lithography, and I believe that Dr. Soon will help with that. So right now they are in phase 2, which is the roll to plate, but they're working on phase 3, which is roll to roll, which will be huge for their manufacturing process, as the roll to roll lithography will allow them to cut manufacturing costs by a factor of anywhere from 5 to 10, as they will be able to just keep manufacturing a continuous roll of the nanoweb material versus manufacturing out onto the roll to plate, where they have to change out those plates in between each batch of the nanoweb. So this is going to be huge if they do announce the Samsung partnership for future Samsung Galaxy Fold phones. Obviously, it will not be in this batch if they are indeed involved with the project. Again, that is speculation. But it is certainly fun to think about Metamaterials partnering up with Samsung on their latest phone. That is just about going to do it for this one, guys. As always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.